Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a call option on Etrade. First, confirm your Etrade account has options trading approval. If not, you'll need to apply and get approved. Once approved, log into your account and head to the trading platform. It's crucial to have a basic understanding of call options, including strike price and expiration date, before proceeding with any trades. This ensures you make informed decisions. After logging in, search for the stock symbol you're interested in, like Apple for Apple. Once on the stocks page, look for a tab or section labeled Options. This will display the option chain. Here, you'll see various expiration dates. Choose the expiration date that aligns with your trading strategy, keeping in mind the time value of the option. Within the option chain, you'll see both call and put options. Focus on the call options, typically on the left side. Now, choose your desired strike price. This is the price at which you can buy the underlying stock if the option is exercised. Carefully review the bid and ask prices, volume, and open interest to gauge liquidity and fair value before making your selection. Once you've selected your call option, enter the number of contracts you want to buy. Remember, one contract usually represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Next, choose your order type. A limit order is often recommended for options to control your entry price. Finally, double-check all the details of your order, including the symbol, expiration, strike, and price, before clicking Place Order. Also, check the description for a link to great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.